Hello children. So let us move on to another lesson. So today we are going to talk about a poem. Okay? And the poem is Opposite Day. Okay children? Now open your textbooks on to page number 36. Okay? Now as the name itself suggests, opposite day. So can you guess the meaning of the poem? What do you mean by opposite? Yes, it is reverse. Opposite is reverse. Ulta. So the whole day, a day where all the things are happening in reverse. So let us see the funny things. What all can happen on a reverse day, children? Chalo, come on, let's go into the poem. It's opposite day, it's opposite day. The day to do things in the opposite way. So, a day that was called as an opposite day where the things can be done in an opposite way. What are all the things? I wear my pants backward, my shirt's inside out. I scream to talk softly, I whisper to shout. So, what are all the things that are happening, children? I wear my pants backward. Can you wear a pant backward, children? No, but it can happen on an opposite day. My shirt's inside out. So we tuck our shirts, we put the shirts inside. But on an opposite day, the shirts are coming out. I scream to talk softly. So instead of I speaking softly, I start screaming. Scream means loud voice. So, what do you mean by scream, children? It's a loud voice. You shout. Okay? The other word for loud voice can be shout. When do you shout, children? Yes? When teacher is not there in the class. You all want to enjoy the moment. Then you all start shouting. So the other word for shout is scream. I whisper to shout. So instead of shouting, that is called whispering, talking very softly. Then I write with my foot and I kick with my hand. I stare with my eyes closed. I sit down to stand. So, some more things that can be done on opposite day. I write with my foot. Can you write with your foot? No, but it is not possible. Nobody can write. But on an opposite day, you can write. And I kick with my hand. So, can you kick with your hand a football? No, but it can be done on an opposite day. I stare with my eyes closed. Stare is to look. Okay, if you close your eyes, can you look? No. So, I stare with my eyes closed. I sit down to stand. So, when we ask you stand up, means you will sit down. So, that is the opposite day. I drink from a plate and I eat from a cup. I climb into bed when it's time to wake up. So, what else can be done, children? I drink from a plate. Can you drink from a plate? No, so you only eat. And I eat from a cup. So, it is going on reverse, ulta. Yes? So, you drink from the cup and you eat from the plate. But here what is happening? This boy is doing drinking from the plate and eating from the cup. And I climb into bed when it's time to wake up. So, when it's early morning, he's going to go sleep. Then I frown when I'm happy, I smile when I'm sad. I say I like liver, but I scream is bad. So, what are the things that are happening here? I frown when I'm happy. So, what is the meaning of frown? Come on, make a note of it, children. Underline the word frown. The meaning is put a sad face. So, frown is to put a sad face. So, when you are happy, he puts a sad face. I smile when I'm sad. So when he is sad, he starts smiling. I say I like liver. Does anybody like liver? No, it is not so healthy. So, but this boy, he likes liver because it is a reverse day, opposite day. But ice cream is bad. So liver is bad and ice cream is tasty, but is telling the opposite of it. I claim that is dark when it's sunny and bright. If something is black, I insist that it's white. So what else is doing? I claim that it is dark. Claim is to tell. Okay? Whenever it is very sunny, very bright light is there, he is telling it is dark, bhai. And if something is black, I insist it's white. So if the object is black in color, he tells it is white. I stand still for dancing, when running I crawl. So please understand, I don't like you at all. Yes, have you understood this? I stand still for dancing. When you dance, can you stand still straight like that? No, but this boy stands. When running, I crawl. So instead of running, this boy is crawling. So please understand, I don't like you at all. Means what? I don't like opposite is, he likes us all. Okay? And this poem was written by whom? Ken Nesbitt. Okay? Now, let us go through the poem once again. Right, children? Opposite day. It's opposite day, it's opposite day. The day to do things in the opposite way. I wave my pants backward, my shirt's inside out. I scream to talk softly, I whisper to shout. I write with my foot and I kick with my hand. I stare with my eyes closed, I sit down to stand. I drink from a plate and I eat from a cup. I climb into bed when it's time to wake up. I frown when I'm happy. I smile when I'm sad. I say I like liver, but ice cream is bad. I claim that it's dark when it's sunny and bright. If something is black, I insist that it's white. I stand still for dancing, when running I crawl. So please understand, I don't like you at all. Yes, children, it's a very wonderful and lovely poem, right? Opposite day. Hope you all have enjoyed this small poem, children. Right. Thank you.